A very good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a simple accompaniment, or you may call it instant pickle also. It is Mirchi ke Tipore. This is very easy, just made within 5 minutes. For this you choose variety of chilies. Those are not very spicy. Then you can add some spices to them, toss them in the pan, and it's ready. Your simple instant pickle Mirchi ke Tipore will be ready in no time. It tastes very good with puris, parathas on the side. You can, and mainly the thali meals are such accompaniments are really delish. So let's proceed to make this Mirchi ke Tipore. We have taken 200 grams of chilies. Select a variety that is not spicy. Wash them very well and dry them on the kitchen cloth until there is no water content in them. Mustard oil, about 5 to 6 tablespoons. Here I have crushed Panch phoran, which has methi seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, kalonji and saunf. I have crushed it lightly. Then for the spices, here first we have salt to taste, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, chilli powder quarter teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, Garam masala powder quarter teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, Anchoor powder or dry mango powder half teaspoon, and Asafoetida 1/8 teaspoon. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now slice the chilies first. Cut them into slightly bigger pieces. Dear friends, a small request, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon and choose the all option so that you don't miss out any notification. The cutting is done. Now let's start the cooking process. Heat the mustard oil in a pan. You have to always heat the mustard oil to a smoking point, cool it and then use. Now a little later you will see the smoke coming up. At this stage you switch off the gas. Once it's little bit cooler, then we will start cooking. We don't want the spices to get burnt. So cool it a bit. Now you can switch on the gas on a low flame. Add the Panch phoran and toss it with a spatula until you get a nice aroma. If you add this spice mix in the hot oil, they'll become black immediately. So you have to be very, very careful. Very low flame. Let the aroma, flavors of the spices come out into the oil. Add the Asafoetida first. Other spices will be added later. Be generous in using Asafoetida as it's very flavorful. Now dip in the green chilies. Saute them a bit on medium flame. Can close the lid and let them simmer until they change the color. About 30 to 40 seconds. You can see the whitish spots on the chilies. This is when you have to add the spices and the salt. Give them a nice mix. This is such a quick recipe. It hardly takes 5 minutes. You may call it an instant pickle or accompaniment to the meals. Just toss them until all the spices are incorporated into the oil. Keep adjusting the flame between medium to low. It's done. Do not overcook the chilies. Retain a little bit of crunch in them. Now you can switch off the flame because there will be a little bit of cooking done even after we switch off the gas. Allow it to cool very well. Then you can store it in a container and refrigerate. This can stay good up to 1 month also. It tastes very good with puris, parathas, or serve it along with your meals. No thali meal is complete without such accompaniments. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Have a look at these old videos from my collection. You may like them too. Bye until next.